Hello everyone, I'm Vijay. I'm a trainer in PySpiders. So we have a placed candidate here. So we'll ask her the experience in the institute.
Hello everyone, I'm MADHURA. I completed my engineering in Kalpataru Institute of Technology in the stream of Information Science and Engineering. The year of passed out of mine is 2024. After the completion of my graduation, I have joined the PySpiders by taking the Python full stack development. When I started the journey with the PySpider, I have a minimum knowledge about every languages. I thought I would not able to do well when compared to others. After joining here, when the teacher trained us, we got to know how to understand the language. They used to tell us using the real world knowledge, and I joined PySpiders in June 7, 2024, and in 1 month I have got placed. And boot camps and grooming session have helped me a lot to improve my communication skill and confidence. Before joining here, I have lower confidence. After joining here, I have got much confidence. Thank you, sir.
Very good. And then all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.